Tired of your PS4 picture being cut off or looking distorted on your TV? Let's dive into adjusting the screen size on your PS4. This will ensure your game display fits perfectly, removing those annoying black bars or cropped edges. First, grab your DualShock 4 controller. We're going to start in the settings menu. Press the PlayStation button to navigate to the main menu. Scroll across the main menu until you find the settings icon. It looks like a toolbox. Select it. Inside the settings, scroll down until you find the sound and screen option. Select it by pressing the X button. In the sound and screen menu, select display area settings. This is where the magic happens. You'll now see a screen with a square image and a slider. This represents your TV screen and what your PS4 is currently displaying. Use the left and right directional buttons to adjust the screen size if your image is cut off. Decrease the screen size until you see the entire picture if you have black bars around the edges of the screen. Increase the screen size to fill the screen. Fine-tune the adjustments so your game displays perfectly. Often, the default settings will work, but experiment with different settings until you are happy with how the gameplay looks. You should see no missing content. Great job! You've successfully adjusted your screen size. Be sure to like and subscribe for more PS4 tips.